Hi, I'd like to introduce Coderbunker, a software-focused hackerspace in Shanghai. You can reach us on the web, on GitHub, on Meetup, or on WeChat. What is Coderbunker? It's a software-focused hackerspace, and we're also acting as a tech startups incubator, as many of our members are entrepreneurs. Key to the success of the hackerspace is to have a great community of people. For that purpose, we have a selected number of software developers that have been working together in the past and currently on different projects or for different consulting projects. Coderbunker is also a platform for events, talks, and meetup. You can find these talks advertised on meetup.com, Coderbunker. We are also a co-learning community, so a place where people can come and follow online self-paced curriculum while helping each other get through hard-to-understand abstract concepts. One of the online content we use is called Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a great way to learn web development on your own, but it's even better when you get to do it with other people. We also do more advanced courses such as Build a Computer on Coursera, which helps understand computer architecture from logic gates to assembler. All these courses offer certificates, so recognition of completion, and there's also peer validation by the fact that you are co-located with other learners. So our co-learning philosophy is to use the existing highest quality online content, have the learners learn together, focus on peer-to-peer learning instead of instructor learning, and also encourage learners to help each other, as the best way to master learning is to teach. The other best great way to master learning is to apply it to projects. So we want to focus on developing open source software for non-profit organization with the goal of having demonstrable portfolios of software projects. Why do we do this? There's a huge opportunity in the future for computing jobs, and there's not enough students following computer science. So there's a great way to introduce young students to software development, but also convert people that want to get started into this career. A big problem is that most schools don't teach computer programming or have content of low quality that is not practical. So this is really software learning, software development, and co-learning is really key to the future and fits well with the future of work. Forward-looking companies and companies in the future, more and more, will need independent and creative workers. And within organizations that focus on that have flat hierarchies instead of top-down hierarchies. And because software is continuously changing, it's necessary to be able to continuously learn new concepts and new technologies and new libraries. There will also be a big focus on teamwork, which is part of what we're trying to achieve by getting people working on projects together. And the focus is on software just because the software is the engine of modern companies. And even for non-software developer, computational thinking applied to problem solving is really important. Another thing we want to focus on is to resolve or help reduce the gender imbalance in software development. So actually the history shows that women do have great aptitude as software developer, from Ada Lovelace, the first programmer, to Margaret Hamilton, one of the software developer for the Apollo 11 program, to the famous Grace Hopper, who found the first actual bug in a computer. There's also lots of role models, and we want to create more now. So if you've are interested in becoming a software developer or improving your skills or being part of a community, or you have an idea for a startup, feel free to join Coderbunker.